Hello, Twinmotion people. Many of you are facing problems with this. We had to wake up in the morning after rendering all night, and then our work came out like this. Oh no. After render, but our work was full of the flickering. Today I will tell you a simple technique. Upload video to Adobe Premiere Pro. Oh yes, just like that. And then drop the video into the timeline. Copy the first video and paste it above. Go to the effect controls on your left. Drop the opacity down 50%. Copy the video and paste it above. Move 3 videos forward 2 frames. Move video 2 forward 1 frame. Move video 3 backward by 1 frame. That's all. Then press play back. Oh yes, just like that. Do this for every video you think has a problem. These techniques may help to solve some problems. Please don't forget to follow me and hit subscribe so you don't miss new videos like this. Thank you Twinmotion for creating such a wonderful software. Thanks for watching and see you again.